Hey guys, Jason Williamson out at Newby-Vance Mobility Guthrie. Hey, I just wanted to show you this kind of a unique Ford Transit here. This is a 2018 Ford Transit with about 33,000 miles on it. It's based off an XLT package, 150 Transit. One of the unique things about this Transit though is it does have a power sliding door. So with a simple double click of my factory key fob, my door is going to open. And it slides open there, which is very rare and hard to find. From there, I've also got a handheld remote where I can go ahead and run the lift down. This vehicle could make someone totally independent. Then I'm going to hop inside here real quick, and I'm going to show you another nice, unique thing about this one. I'm going to stop that lift right there for a minute. This is a BraunAbility Lift. Now, once I come in here, you'll notice it's got a transfer seat base installed as well, which is another kind of rare, unique item to find on a Ford Transit. I just wanted to show you this van here. Like I said, it's very unique in the way it functions. Give me a call. My cell phone at 405-761-5580. Once again, Jason Williamson, Newby-Vance Mobility. Thank you.